Sonny, you're late to school again. Hurry up. Wait, what's that? A giant bush? Uh-oh, it was a dinosaur. Be careful, kid. It could be dangerous. Oh, he seems nice. Sonny, you're late, remember? That's right. Maybe the dino can help you. Let's go, Sonny. He will open a path for you. Good morning, baby trucks. Are you ready for a new day of school? Good morning, Lily. On time, as always. Try not to step on anyone, Dino. You miss Sonny, don't you guys? Well, well, well. Where could she be? Oh, is it earthquake season? Something else. Yes, guys, it's Sonny. And she brought a little friend to play with. Calm down, kids. Hey, Barry, where are you going? Don't worry, guys. The dino is just thirsty. Kids, you're gonna scare the dinosaur. Jenny, you need to calm the kids down. They are out of control. Kids are a little excited. Dino, say hello to Jenny. Don't worry, Jenny. He's a friendly dinosaur. See? He won't cause any trouble. Babies, you can play with him. Don't get him dizzy, baby trucks. Now keep calm, kids. You'll have your turn. Oh no, he's getting away. Come back, Dino. Baby trucks, you've got to find a way to stop him. Did you come up with something, Sonny? Hey, where are you going now? Come back. Kids, where is Sonny? You didn't go past her. She wants to feed the dino. Great idea, Sonny. That's right, Dino. Chase Sonny. Well done, Sonny. You brought him back. It seems the dino likes it. Well, I think we can leave the zoo visit for next year. Hi, babies. Are you on your way to school? What's that, Barry? Oh, it's a magic lamp. Oh, they're already gone. Wow, you've turned into Super Barry. Hey, Jenny, looks like Barry's going to be late for school today. Oh, no, it's nasty Dr. Zig. What's he doing here? Help! Dr. Zig's kidnapped Sonny and Chili. Super Barry, you must save your friends from the evil Dr. Zig. Oh, no, it's a tunnel. How will Super Barry find them? Wow! You can fly, Super Barry. Now you can see all over Car City. But where are Sonny and Chili? Can you find them with your X-ray vision? Don't be scared, babies. Maybe you can break the bubble. No, it's not working. But keep calm. Super Barry is on his way. Can you go find them, Super Barry? There they are. Good job. Be careful, Super Barry. Dr. Zig might still be in there. Watch out. Dr. Zig wants to capture you, too. Good dodge. But you'll need to think fast if you're going to stop him. Clever job! But, oh no! Dr. Ziggs escaped! Quick, Superberry, think of something. Lasers to melt his tires. Now Dr. Zig is truly stuck. Time to save your friends. Boy, Sonny and Chili are glad to see you. Can you break the bubble? Good job, Superberry. Now let's get out of here. What's that, Superberry? You have another idea? Get that! That's so cool! Now you can all fly to school. Wow, the city sure is beautiful from above.
Hey!
Hi, Jenny. The babies want to play superheroes. Good morning, babies. You look busy. What are you doing? Oh, you're decorating the playground for the school fair. It's cool. Steady now, Sonny. You don't want to drop them. Oh, no, watch out. There's nails on the ground. Ow, that's gotta hurt. Oops. Oh, dear, Sonny's got a puncture. And look at Sticky Chili, what a mess! Nice job, Chili. But what about Sonny? What's that, Barry? You should take Sonny to the hospital? Good idea. Yeah, with a flat tire, it's hard to drive straight. Oh no, be careful! Wait, Chili, it's not safe to go through a red light. Hang on in there, Sonny. I'm sure your friends will come along soon. Hurry, guys. Sonny needs all the help she can get. Awesome. But how can you stop her? Good job, Barry. Watch out for Sonny's flat tire. Maybe it's better to drive slowly and stay close. Amber's got a plaster and medicine. Thanks, Amber.
Hey. Hey-oh.
Now, Tom's gonna tow Sonny to the tire shop.
Ooh.
Hi, Massimo. Can you help? Maybe you guys can distract her. Oh, funny babies. That's right, Sonny. The tire's fixed, but it needs more air. Look at that. Just like new. Hey, Lily. Well, Sonny had an accident, but she's all fixed up. What brave babies. Chili's found a nice gift to say sorry. Now, babies, go have fun.